Once I feel happy with his backing up, I'll walk off again. There we go. So leading is the most overdone, untalked about thing in horses. Every horse that you have, even horses that aren't riding, they're leading. So very quickly, horses stop paying attention when they're leading, and they are having a conversation with you, and you don't even realize it. When you're walking and they're walking on the back of your shoes, hey, I bought these shoes, buddy. These are mine. I'll buy you your own, okay? Don't walk on my feet. Whenever they're breathing on the back of your neck, though it feels wonderful, it's not awesome. They're already telling you that they don't respect your space, they don't respect your bubble. They wouldn't do that to that chestnut mare that's out in the field. They wouldn't get all in her space because she's in charge. So we're just trying to set the tone before we do anything is, hey buddy, we're in charge, we're running the show, this is what I want you to do.